Hey guys, it's Devin with Treasure Valley Retro Rods back with another video. What are we doing in Dakota?
I'm sure everybody's heard of these lovely things.
What is
these
that? What?
tubeless tire patch kits. These little bacon strips or ropes that people call them. These ones look like bacon strips. They're thin, but we're going to try and patch that tire on the Suburban and see if it actually holds.
We're gonna try.
We're going to try. Because neither of us have ever done this before, so this is a learning experience for us. You've done this before?
Yeah. My ATV.
Great. Oh, that's an ATV. This is highway use. Let's see how these work out.
What are you doing there, Dakota?
I'm putting air in the tire. Why do you ask? So we can...
An interesting method of doing so.
Well, because most people are going to be doing this on the side of the interstate, or like truckers do. When they get a hole or a screw or something, there's going to be air in the tire. So we got to do it with air in the tire. And I don't want to... I don't even know if the air compressor's down here. So we're just going to get probably about 20... I would have run out of air. Probably about 20 pounds of pressure out of this thing before I give up and say that's enough.
That's enough. You guys heard it.
This is not the first time I've done this to this tire. What is in your jacket?
Funyuns.
Of course there's Funyuns in your jacket. Does that say 10? Woo! It says 10, guys! Why is this hot? Is that like... Does oxygen cause friction? Air compression.
If you compress air tight enough, it heats up.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, am I smart or something?
So now this is what an average Joe would be doing on the side of the rail with 60 pounds of pressure in their tire. Not 10. Give me those.
Well, I don't know if it goes completely flat. We might be in this situation.
That's very true. There's a chance, huh? Do you think this has threads on it?
Probably.
Or do you think it's a nail? Should I twist or pull straight up?
It's a screw.
It is? Ow! Ouch! Boo-hoo! Yowza! You don't have to use vice grips. They were just here.
You could use something practical like a needle nose pliers.
Well, I pulled it out. Now, with your 10 pounds of pressure missing, take it and you ream it out. And then what I'm going to do is leave that in there. That way you're losing the least amount of air as possible as you're getting your bacon strip object ready. Now you need this guy with the little eye loop there. That's what you're going to be using the bacon strip for. There's the bacon strips. And your rubber cement. Some of them don't come with this. Some of them just come with these pre-stickied. But this one has the rubber cement, so I'm going to make sure to use this because this is a highway tire. Supposedly. We're going to go ahead and we're going to grab the bacon strip off of here. Oh my gosh. Oh, of course it's sticky. And now it's not going to fit right through there. So I'm going to squish down this end and make it fit. Like that. Then I'm going to push it in and out the other side. I'm going to grab it. Maybe. And I'm going to pull it until it's halfway through. If that's feasibly possible. Oh my gosh, you've used these before? Mm-hmm. Right there.
Yeah.
Right there, that's halfway. I'm going to call that. Yep. Now I'm going to take my rubber cemente, which is still sealed. Why would you leave it sealed? We have to have this stuff ready to go.
You wanted to take over.
For Pete's sake. I'm going to use the pre-given knife that we got in the set. I'm just gonna poke the seal. Maybe. Is this... Yay! Now there's cement all over the sawdust. Oh, great.
Alright.
Just great. Okay, now we're gonna take this and we're just gonna douse this thing with this stuff. Because I don't want it to come out. Voila. It has been doused along the edge. Now, you pull your reamer out as you're still leaking your 10 pounds of air pressure. You take this puppy and shove it in there about, what, a third of the way?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. Oh, for Pete's sake, I'm standing on the thing, basically. Uno momento.
Speed this part up, right?
Probably. Did I not ream it out big enough?
Probably not.
What do you mean, probably not?
You did like 3 passes.
So? How much are you supposed to do?
Something you could have told me earlier, Devin. I know.
Hand me that reamer, quick. Hold that. What, we're just gonna saw at it?
Mm-hmm.
We just ran out of 10 pounds of air pressure.
It's very intimate.
Remember, people, ream this out a good bit. Oh, that's beautiful now. No, you give that to me. I know you're some big, strong man. Oh, whatever. And you push it in there. See what I'm talking about? It was easier on your ATV tire, wasn't it?
I think I got a more expensive kit. Is this one of those you need to split apart?
Split apart? What do you mean? Listen, we're not professionals.
This would probably be better with more than 5 pounds of pressure.
Oh, that was so close. So when you're done, you just leave the thing in there, and you go ahead and you take an angle grinder, you cut it off right there, and it's back. Oh my gosh, Devin. Oh, this rubber's...
You're going to be able to get it out. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, no, no.
Cut. Cut. Cut.
Oh, Pookie, what have you done?
Cut. You don't trust me. Hold that.
I would not drive on that.
Would you say this? We're gonna see if we can't find that hole again. Oh, beautiful. We found the ring. Oh, great. Remember when I said we were patching a tire?
The kit I got was way thinner than these.
Yeah, I believe it.
You do not need this much.
Probably for a bigger hole. Here, hold that. Or get it ready again. So, what we're laughing about is the bacon thing, or the thing that you put the bacon strip in, is now bent. And by a good amount, too, it's bent. Patch
So
it.
hot with that wind blowing in your hair.
Oh, am I? I'm so glad you think so.
I
How long till we run out of 10 pounds of pressure, you think?
do. Should be any second now.
Oh, did you twist it together?
No, I cut it in half.
You cut it in half? Great. Well, that goes the structural stability of the thing. It's fine. That's what the liquid cement's for.
It's okay. I'm not driving it.
What? You're telling me you drive your kid in this thing?
I already did that.
Yeah, well, if you cut it in half, I'm gonna go ahead and use some more. Okay, so now that there's no air leaking out of it anymore, we know that there's no more... Yeah, we know it's empty. So we're gonna take it, we're gonna shove it in there. Like that, see? It just went all the way, didn't it?
Yep.
Okay, well, so now we got it. Now what do we do?
Now we take it to Les Schwab.
All right there, we can grab that with pliers. Okay. What? What?
I think these flumes are getting to you.
What do you mean flumes? Don't touch it. I have needle nose.
Oh, why weren't we using those? Oh my goodness.
So now that you've lost your stem inside the tire, you go ahead and you grab what you can see of it and break it off with...
Want to try the other half now?
For what? The same hole?
Yep.
Well, it's okay. It's okay because you're supposed to cut these. Cut these, right? So let's put more air in it and see if it leaks.
You do that part. I'll get this ready.
For what? We don't need another one.
Sure.
Because I can't just have one floating around inside the tire. I can see the stem of it. It's right there.
Okay.
I don't hear nothing leaking.
You also just put like 0.5 pounds of pressure.
Cue another 20 minutes of us doing this.
It's holding at 2 pounds of pressure. Go drive your kid around.
I think the spare tire's starting to sound like a good idea. Or, get this, we just spent $200 on a tire changing kit at Hobo Freight. DB'd it, buy a proper one, slap it on the inside of there, and call it good. We're like $600, not $200, but yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I could work at Les Schwab.
You would not be able to stand it there. Sounds good to me, folks. I might take some...
I kind of heard... Look at it again.
Why?
I heard something.
Shut your mouth! Might take some extra liquid cement and put it over the top of the mold. Move why? So now that we're doing this wrong, we're just going to do it wrong all the way. I'm going to put some extra liquid cement over the top of this here hole in hopes of, well, I don't really know, but just in hopes. 5. I think she's solid. Think it'll do 65?
I wasn't driving it.
Hey, you you are. You're riding with me, Pookie, remember?
No. Never again.
Not on this tire. Well, folks, that does it.
I'm not posting this, right?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's how you patch a tire.
It's not how you patch a tire.
So basically what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this up to about 40 pounds of pressure. And then I'll come back and I'll check on it over the next few days and see if it's still holding that same 40 pounds of pressure.
With 0 pounds on top of it?
What? Yeah, pretty much.
What happens when you put your Suburban on it, though?
We got 3 other tires to cancel out the weight. So we'll do that and then we'll basically update you when we're taking this to a local tire shop. So hope you guys enjoyed what was mistakenly a video. We'll get back at you when we have something more entertaining to do.